But no, the realization is everyone, even big brands, even technological people need help with the onboarding because they don't want to watch a video testimonial. They don't want to watch a tutorial because it's not something that they need. It's not like, okay, I need a tool for email marketing because my manager is please asking me to do it. Okay, I go to MailChimp and I have to find the way to do it. No, this is something extra. This is vitamins. If they don't have it, okay, maybe they can live without this. So we need to be on top of them. You need to be training them. You need to be actively doing things for them in the platform. You cannot expect for them to do it on their own way. That is our biggest realization. And when we do that extra work, magic happens. Like, for example, in Buenos Aires, where we are based, or in Madrid, we go to the venue and give them the flyer. We print them. We buy the template, the glass, or we buy the thing, and we take it to them. And that is our customer acquisition cost. Because if not, if we have to tell them, okay, now you have to go to a graphic and print something to put it on your venue, they procrastinate it. They procrastinate it every time. So do the extra work. Go the extra mile, and your customer will reward it. Yes, exactly. Do the extra mile. Give them the card already made. Configure everything for them. And if they do something wrong with the platform, it's not their fault. It's your fault for not doing them for them. So they're like little child. You have to treat them like little child. You have to do everything for them, and they are not in fault for anything. If they do something wrong, it's your fault for not teaching them properly how to do it.